The Russian submarine Rostov-on-Don experienced catastrophe, suffering massive damages from a missile strike on September 13 in Sevastopol. This event is a critical milestone in ongoing naval conflicts, with this submarine being one of Russia's key assets in the Black Sea. Contrary to Russian statements, expert analyses suggest the submarine is likely irreparable, hinting at extensive internal and external damages. Ukraine utilized the British-supplied Storm Shadow missile in this impactful attack, launched by a modified Soviet-era jet. This missile penetrated the forward hull of the submarine, leading to internal explosions and severe destruction. Subsequent fires and damage control efforts have likely compounded the extensive damage to the internal components and the hull. A secondary area of damage raises speculations about a possible second missile or an internal explosion. The event underlines the escalating and tense atmosphere in naval warfare, significantly impacting Russia's naval presence in the Black Sea. Recovery and repair efforts appear impractical due to substantial damages and the associated financial and time constraints. Any repair would necessitate transporting the submarine to a suitable shipyard after preliminary hull patching. However, ongoing efforts to cover the wreck suggest it may remain stationary for the foreseeable future. This development exacerbates Russia's pre-existing shortage of dry dock spaces in the region. The attack represents a significant diminution in Russia's naval capabilities and a considerable shift in naval power dynamics. The realistic and gritty imagery of the damages serve as a stark reminder of the destructive capabilities of modern warfare. This crucial development in naval conflicts highlights the evolving and volatile dynamics in international military engagements. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date on AI plus military developments.